Alright, so gonna change the prop. First thing we do is grab the set of props that they give you right here, and also the screwdriver they give you. This is all I brought with me, so I'm thankful I do have it. Came with the fly more. I think you also get it with the normal pack. Alright, so both props are damaged, so I can't use either. So we're gonna take the screw. The screws are fine, so you can recycle them. These props feel like real flimsy. Like, flight is one of the most interesting things that there is, since you have little tiny wings carrying hundreds of people around places. It's amazing. Alright, so let's get those props. And when you look at the props, they do have a sign. They have yellow ones for these ones, and then they have a blue one to mark the ones that you need to change. Alright, so we're getting these props out, the B's, and DJI is so kind that it comes with extra screws. This makes me want to get the Fly More kit for the Mini 3 Pro. Right, so I'm gonna slip this out first time. Line it up and screw it down. Yep, nice and tight. Grab the second screw, get it in there, line it up to the hole again, and fill it, yep, and then just start screwing. And while you're at it, you might as well go ahead and screw the other ones that you have. And that's pretty much it, how to replace your DJI Mini 2 props. Thanks.